Hi everyone, just a quick video today to show you the progress and actually the final form of the projectiles and how it's going to work in the GameLib. So I have a very quick, it's not even a game, but I just have a player here that can move around. I have here 3 NPC that cannot move around and walls that are blockers to my projectiles. And as you can see here, I have 2 spells, so 3 NPC and 2 spells. One is Firebolt, the other one is Bolt. So let's start with Bolt. So just to show you, so Bolt is very simple. It's just a simple spell, so there's no directional animation or anything. If I shoot down, so you see that if I shoot down, the animation doesn't really adapt. It's the same for up, down, left, right. That is something that we can configure. If I take, for example, the fireball, if I shoot straight, it looks like that. If I shoot back, it looks like that. If I shoot up, it looks like that, and down like that. So fireball's got directional animations and directional models. Projectile is a new class that you can already use on the code. You have to use the branch 1.1-working as I record that video. It's not yet into master. It's a class that allows you to send a projectile with just a single constructor with no argument. However, to get all the fancy stuff, you need to do a bit more than that. And I'll post this example online. So as you can see, there's also if I shoot the wall in front of me, the projectile stop, and it's stopped with the wall. It explodes actually. And if I shoot down, it goes all the way down, all the way up to the radius. So the difference between fireball and bolt is that bolt is actually one target, single target spell, where fireball is an AoE, so area of effect. So if I fire the bolt here, nothing happened. However, if I fire the fireball here, one of the enemy takes damages. Same here, if I fire to him, one of the enemy is actually taking damages. And if I fire the fireball here, all of them are taking damages. So that's where we are today. As I said, it's available on the branch 1.1-working. It's going to be released with the GameLib 1.1. If you want to test it, try it, and give us feedback. It's good, always good. Also, as you can notice, the whole thing is now asynchronous. We're using thread to render the UI, different thread to play the effects, sound effects and musics. The interface is using blessings for positioning the cursor at the right position. Only for the enemies and spells column. Everything else is standard at GameLib. Well, that's all for today. Hopefully you like it, and I'll see you next time.